There's been a lot of discourse about pretty privilege on my page lately, including men criticizing me for the amount of effort I put into my appearance, saying if I worked harder on my personality, I wouldn't have to rely so much on being pretty. So in response to that, I would like to read you one of my favorite poems called Song of the Pretty Bird by Shay Alexie Stewart. I've lived 20 pretty bird years of this great big pretty bird life, and I think I pretty bird pretty much know what I'm talking about. People like to poke fun at my pretty bird pretty preening, at my pretty bird pretty feathers, but look at my long clean coat, at my pretty bird pretty pink legs. When pigeon men track me cross sky highway, they are happy to trace hungry orange eyes between my pretty bird feathers. Too busy fantasizing pretty bird, wet dreams, swollen chest, fluff vest, too pretty poke bird fun, too pretty poke fun bird, too pretty bird, pretty, too busy fantasizing to poke fun at permanently preening pretty bird. My vanity is insanity unless it helps get you off. What a treat hosting eyes between my thighs. They will spend equal time begging to share bed with me, condemning mediocrity. How does one achieve complexity when all she was ever taught to be was basic? Pigeon man wants pretty bird to pretty bird until pretty bird fulfills ideas of prettiness. Then she's too pretty bird, paralyzing and preened. Look at my long clean coat, at my pretty bird, pretty pink legs. Track me cross sky highway. Take a picture, I beg you. Take a picture. Pretty bird. My left side is my best side. I have a best side. I have a better half. I am a half. Pretty because they want a pretty bird. I grew up on a diet of breadcrumbs, catalog clippings, and sidewalk cracks. How do you expect anything else? Pretty sure I know what I'm talking about. Pretty sure. Maybe not. Sorry. Can I ask a question? Sorry. May I? Pretty bird used to sing. Baby bird used to sing. Baby bird was pretty bird before pretty bird learned to pretty. And baby bird could compose whole symphonies, acute intricacies, melodies, capturing Vaish's poetry. But the reviews came in, and they preferred apology. So she shrank, learned to make herself small enough to nearly fit back in her eggshell, to tiptoe atop eggshells, expanded flight just long enough for pigeon men to track her cross sky highway, but still she sang too loud. So they caged her up for her pretty bird, long clean coat, for her pretty bird, pretty pink legs. And they said, sing pretty lady, sing. But I forgot how. So I said, pretty bird, look at my long clean coat, at my pretty bird, pretty pink legs. But they were bored of me.